In this video, I will show you how to create an account on NFL Shop. Simply open Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop, then click on the URL. From here, in the top right corner, you can see this card icon. Right beside it, there is this profile icon. Click on it. Now you get this pop-up window. If you already have an account, you could have clicked on continue. But since we don't have an account, what we are gonna do is click on continue with Google. From here, choose the account from which you want to create your NFL Shop account. Now put in a password and click on next. Then click on continue. Now your account has been created in NFL Shop. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.